Well, hello and welcome. My name is Robin and this is Knotting Hook Crochet. And today I have a giveaway announcement. Now this is my first giveaway. Rules are simple. You need to be a subscriber to the channel. Hit that like button and leave a comment down below. And we will use the YouTube random comment picker to choose the winner or winners. Depending on how many comments there are is going to depend on how many winners we have. And I would be just thrilled to death to give away a whole bunch. The giveaway will be open until Mother's Day. So it's a Mother's Day giveaway. But if you're a dad or not a mom or not a dad, anybody, as long as you subscribe, you hit that thumbs up and you leave a comment below, you can enter. Anywhere in the world you can enter. So what I'm giving away is your choice of the 4 patterns that I have available in my Etsy shop. Now I know that most people come on when they do their giveaways and they're giving away, you know, the yarn or some kind of gadget or something like that. But I wanted everyone to be able to participate, and Lord knows shipping is so expensive that I wouldn't be able to include my friends that live in other countries. It just would be too expensive to ship to them, and I don't want anybody to be excluded. So you got your choice of 4 patterns. We have the Filet Pony baby blanket. We have the Proud Stallion or Prancing Stallion, something like that, Grafgan. There is the Vintage Capelet, which I rewrote in modern terms to make it easy for anyone to understand how to do it. I mean, because it really did turn out gorgeous. And then there's my newest one, the Peekaboo Kitty. So you get your choice of the 4. Like I said, I'll use the random YouTube comment picker, and we will announce the winners on Mother's Day. And then the winners would need to contact me through my email. If anybody, now I have not had this happen to my channel yet where somebody's trying to impersonate me or something, but I've seen a lot of the channels say that the scammers go into the comments and will tell you that you're a winner and to contact them, blah, 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 blah. We are not going to do that. There's no chances. The only way you're going to know if you won is if you watch the winner video, which will be Mother's Day. And if you contact me through email, and then I will email you the PDF files for whichever pattern you choose. It's your choice. So I'm hoping that I'm not going to open up a can of worms here and have an issue with scammers being on the channel. Because I just don't know that, you know, it kind of makes you have a love-hate relationship with giveaways, which I kind of have already. But anyways, so this is to celebrate Mother's Day. It is to celebrate all you wonderful subscribers and even the viewers who are not subscribers. But to participate, you need to be a subscriber. So we're just celebrating you. And that's my big announcement for today. My first giveaway, we're just celebrating you, and we'll see you back on Mother's Day to find out who the winner or winners are. Like I said, the more comments, the more winners there will be. So, but let me say this, your comment only counts 1 time, so don't spam the comments with, you know, 100 comments from one person. 1 comment per person, and the more people that comment, the more prizes, the more patterns that I'll give away. So We will see you in the next video.